Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your saved news in Google News. So once you're inside of Google News, guys, all you have to do is just simply tap the following option here at the top. You'll be able to, and this will take you into topics, sources, saved searches, and even your saved stories. So all of those stories that you've saved to watch, to read for later, you'll be able to remove them from here. So if you hover over each of these news, you can see that little icon here that shows blue. It says remove from saved search, remove from saved stories. So you just need to tap on that, and this is going to easily remove those stories there. So if you refresh your page, you realize that they're gone. You might be wondering, how do I do this? For those who don't know how to save those stories, it's very easy. Once you find a story on Google News that you want to save, you hover over it. There's a tree that's on the right hand side. You click on that and you can save for later. That means that you can easily read it later, and you can find that under the following and the save stories section. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and remove those stories from saved stories. That's it.